Hey guys, it's me, Crazy Honda Chris, your automotive advisor in the sales department at Randy Kuehl Honda in Cedar Rapids, Iowa. And here behind me, I'm gonna have a 2022 Honda HR-V Sport. I'm gonna walk around this vehicle, show you guys all the cool standard features and functions, so when you arrive at your local Honda dealership, you know exactly what this vehicle has to offer before you take it on the road to make a well-formed decision if this perfect car is for you, all right? Now, if you guys have any questions, you know what to do. Drop them down below in the comments. You guys here locally around me, here's my contact information if you guys are in the market. I'll show you how easy it is to join the Crazy Honda Chris family here at Randy Kuehl Honda in Cedar Rapids, Iowa, all right? Now let's get back to the vehicle, show you all the cool standard features and functions so you're not missing out right now. All right, guys, so here we are right outside the 2022 Honda HR-V Sport package. We're gonna walk up here to the Maroni sticker as usual. You guys are welcome to pause the video right up here if you wanna explore on your own. Now up on the top right hand corner, we're going to talk about the fuel economy. You got 26 for the city, 31 for the highway with a combined of 28. Down over here on the right hand corner side, you can see all the safety ratings. And right over here is where the vehicle's made at, then the price point, and then the list of standard features, which we're going to cover today. Now keep in mind, this particular one's an all-wheel drive. They also offer this in a front-wheel drive option if you want to explore that option there for you, okay? Now we'll step here towards the front. As we do that, just let you guys know, comes standard with 2 key ignitions right here. As we get here towards the front of the vehicle, you're gonna have a 1.8 4-cylinder with a CVT transmission. You got nice fog lights down below. You got a lot of glass black finish. So it looks nice and shiny black going on. Down here on the bottom, you got that going on within the grille too. You got the nice accent chrome action going on right over here on the front of the vehicle. Then you have LED daytime running lights that wraps from right here. We'll kind of step her off to the side so you guys can see that front. Now that nice kind of black finish here for that aggressive sport look, it's also going to continue right here along the side profile. There's going to be a nice 18-inch alloy rims, nice black finish. Then you got to kind of continue down towards the bottom and all the way towards the back. We'll step back here so you guys can see that. You're going to have body colored handle right there in the front, and you have a nice black finish side mirror. You got rear tinted windows, chromed roof rails, body colored shark fin antenna. Now the handle here for the second door is going to be right up here. All right, so there we go. We'll step here back towards the back. You got those LED tail lights. Just makes a bold statement to applying to the brakes for safety, of course. There we go. Got a little bit of badge of honor going on. Sport all-wheel drive. We have a multi-angle rear camera. Show you guys a little more of that on the inside. Then you have that nice black finish bumper. It's going to be a manual hydraulic liftgate. Comes right open. You got plenty of cargo space here in the back, so as life happens, challenge accepted, you're good to go. If this is not enough room, that's not a problem. These seats will fold down. It's going to be a 60-40 split, and the good news is that these come down nice and flat. All right, so no little hump or anything to argue and debate with. It's a simple slide and go. You got a nice little courtesy light right here off to the side, so you can see what's kind of going on between your nighttime here. Down below, you have your spare tire. Some additional tools you may need for those unforeseen events. So there we go. So yep, that's going to be the back right down there. Rear wiper. We'll swing back here towards the side of the vehicle. Open up the door. You got a nice kind of leather finish, some additional cubby space down below. You guys know about power windows. Now, the cool thing about these seats, you can adjust it. You all do utility space, spring loaded, pull that right back up. This, pull the bottom half up, pull that bar down, boom. You got the magic seats. So both sides will do that. So let's say you got a bike or something tall, maybe a tall plant for myself for the garden. I have all this space here that I can use. Carpet mats come standard, all right. You got a nice little courtesy pocket here behind the passenger seat. 12-volt plug-in down below with some additional cubby space. We're gonna have your third seat belt right up here up top. Hey guys, it's me, Crazy Honda Chris. Sorry to interrupt the video. I just want to say thanks again for watching. I really appreciate you guys' support. And once again, if you guys are in the market, you know what to do. Here's my phone number. Give me a quick courtesy call. Any questions, drop them down below in the comments. I'll do my best. And don't forget to help me by showing your support by hitting like and subscribe. Now let's get back to the video, all right? All right, let's kind of sneak up front as we open up the front door. Once again, we got a nice little bit of leather finish going on here. You guys know about power windows. You got your power locks, power mirrors. All that's pretty easy and straightforward. You guys know with your mirror selector, the D-pad, then the window lock action going on. Some additional cubby space down below. Let's drag you guys in and focus right over here on the driver's seat. It's going to be a manual seat, all right? So it's going to be a pump action. You got to raise it, pump up, to lower it. It's going to pump down, recline. You got the squeeze bar right up here in the front to slide forward and back. Now as we kind of focus shift right over here, you're going to have your gas release, then your hood release right there. Now let's kind of jump right in to cool off here. Start up the vehicle, get the AC going. Now the steering wheel is going to be a telescope, so right down over here, pull that up. Goes in and out, up and down, so go ahead and adjust as you see fit and lock it right back in place. Now we'll shift focus over here on the left hand side of the steering wheel. You get your vehicle stability assist. You turn that on or off. Then you have your tire pressure. It's an indirect tire pressure. If you want more information about that, right up here, click that. It'll kind of show you more in detail exactly what I'm talking about. You have an econ button. As we select that, you can see that on the driver's interface, a green leaf. It's on, now it's off. Econ is going to make you more fuel efficient by sacrificing acceleration power, electrical power, and your AC power, all right, to give you better highway fuel economy. You may see anywhere from 2 to 4 more miles to a gallon, depending on how aggressive you're driving. Now, also corresponding with that, you have this white light right up here. It's going to be a fuel efficiency backlight. It's a visual coaching for your fuel economy to let you know how you're doing for your driving habits. It's just a visual thing. It just lets you know when you're being fuel efficient, all right? So there we go. So that's everything right over here. You got your adjustable vent set right there. Come over here, you got your headlights, fog lights, paddle shifters. You got your wipers, rear wipers. Pull those down. The more you pull those down, the faster they're going to go. Right over here, you have your cruise control button. As you select that, you can see that cruise control is available. It's right down there. I'm going to select it again. It's gone. It's there. You can set your cruise control, adjust the speed. You can cancel. Then we'll come right over here on the left-hand side of the steering wheel. You got all of your media controls right over here. Your sources. You got your volume control, stuff like that. Then you got your other options. You select these buttons right over here. You'll see that changes from your phone to your music options. We'll come back to that in a moment. Then right over here, you got your hands-free for your phone. These buttons you're going to be kind of pulling back towards you to answer your calls, hang up, voice command. If your phone's paired, hey, call Crazy Honda Chris mobile phone. I'm saved in your phone book. And then we'll focus right here on the driver's interface here quick. Just give you guys a quick little visual. You got your tachometer over here on the left-hand side. You can see what gear you're in, park. Speedometer right here. So now you got some other stuff going on. Down here, you're going to have your fuel tank. So we're about half tank right now. It's 77 degrees already this morning. Right up here, you got a nice little graph to show you your lifetime feed for your fuel economy, what you're getting. Here's a little thing right here so you can, as you guys can see, we'll come focus right over here on the nice touchscreen now. Music options. So we have FM, AM radio. You have a USB port here. As you guys are going to notice, we don't have a CD player, but hey, that's not a problem. Download all of your stuff onto a flash drive, and it's a plug and play from there. All right. Now your USBs are going to be right down here with this secret hidden tray. There we go. So you're going to have Apple CarPlay and Android Auto with the USB with a picture of the phone next to it. Android phones, you have to download Android Auto from there and then allow all the permissions, and then it's a plug and play. Apple phones is a plug and play. All right. Then over there on the other side, you can have a 12-volt plug-in. You have iPod, Bluetooth. You're going to have Pandora, then your smartphone connection as Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Now, once you have your Apple CarPlay and Android Auto plugged in and all that, it's going to show you the respectable, you know, whatever it is. right here, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, all right? So pretty easy to navigate between all these sources here. It's just a simple click and go. Volume control, push that right in to shut everything right off. You can pair up multiple phones. Walks you right through the steps. And you have your information stuff right here. Settings, you can customize all of your vehicle settings, system settings, everything from right here, adding and deleting phones. Then you got your Honda Link app. Now you can adjust the brightness of the screen if you like. You have a button right up here. So if it kind of bugs you between your day and nighttime driving, there we go. Go ahead and select that. So pretty nice. You can simply hold that button down as you just seen. So if it completely bugs you for your nighttime driving, you can completely shut it off. So there, and then you just hit a button and then it brings it right back up, all right? We'll come right down over here. You got your hazard warning lights. Climate control is pretty easy and straightforward. Fan speed, temperature, you got your different modes. AC right here, air circulation. Just keeping it going. You got your rear defroster. Right down over here, you got your different gears. You got your park reverse. So as you put it into reverse, your multi-angle rear camera automatically displays. You can see these buttons down here. They show you how the camera is going to act. So a nice 180 view. Then you're going to have a right behind you view. Then a straight down shot from your rear bumper view. So that's kind of nice. And then as you turn your wheels, it changes as well, color to let you know you're not in line, then also guides you where you're going. You have a neutral, then a drive, and then you have an S for a sport drive, which changes the gear ratio for more fun, throwable response. You have a park and brake here, so that's going to be kind of nice. Simply just pull that right up, it locks right in place. You can see when it's on as you come up here on the driver's interface, and there it is, it says park. Right there. Simply put your foot down on the brake, then push that inwards, and it's going to release for you, okay? You have the hold brake. With hold brake, if you got your seatbelt on, and you have this activated, anytime you get to a complete stop, it's going to hold the brake so you can slowly take your foot off the brake. It's going to hold that brake down until you until you actually apply onto the gas. Then it's going to release that brake pedal for you. Cup holders right over here. You got some additional buttons here off to the side, as you can see, so you can customize all that to fit whatever you be putting in there. This thing slides 2 different settings right here. Open right up. You got a small little storage compartment. Now the passenger has all the air vents as possible. So for me, I'm kind of a wuss when it's really hot out there. I get all the AC power, so my wife doesn't have to yell at me for whining. So there we go, we're set for there. Let's open this up. We have a good sized glove box. Fill it up, forget about whatever's in there. I do that on a daily basis. All right, let's take one last look here on the outside for you guys, so you can see what this color looks like in the sun and a little bit in the shade. Once again, if you guys have any questions, you know what to do. Drop them down below in the comments. I'll do my best to answer those questions for you guys. If you guys like to have any more information about the HRVs, you know, use those comments down below.